we're live.
Yay.
All
Live.
right. Should we do the merging part first, or what should we want to do?
I think we should just start with the backend because to be honest, the merging part isn't that important.
All right.
Let's do the backend first. Your audio is kind of meh, but whatever. It's fine.
My audio
Yeah,
on
it
my
sounds like
Discord or on my.
on the stream, it sounds like you're talking into the room.
Okay, I think I know. Okay.
Like it sounds better on Discord for some reason.
Yeah, I know because it's different. Mic. How do I get the source of this mic?
I don't see it on your thing, but
Is this
do you
better?
see it?
Is the is my stream audio better?
We'll see in a few seconds. Oh yeah, that's better.
All right.
It's a lot better. Cool.
All right. So we're trying to update this, right? The Bucket Manager to AWS.
WebSocket Manager.
Wait. Didn't you do something?
Well, let me think about this on a high level. I did something, but it's something not related, so you can ignore that. That's just the in-memory auth service. You can ignore that. There's two parts that I'm thinking about right now. One is making sure that your backend works fine, and then two, we're gonna deploy that into the cloud.
Okay.
Okay. So
So
we have to handle this piece by piece. First, we have to make sure your backend works, because if we deploy it and your backend doesn't work, then well, it's just not gonna work. So now instead of using the in-memory chat service, we want to use the API chat service and make sure that works.
um, so we should test with this, right?
Um,
Insomnia.
yeah, it's yeah, it's yeah, it's a little bit of insomnia, but also in the front end, we should
Mm-hmm.
change the dependency of the chat service in the main app. Yeah, yep, you know it. There you go. So it's oh yeah, there you go. Perfect. And then run it both. And I know. Remember, we added one new endpoint kind of in the end memory in the protocol in the chat service. It's called get what is it? Fetch users or something like that. We added that to the protocol, but we never added it to the backend because we only did it in the in memory chat service. What
Oh,
is it
fetch
called?
users. Yeah.
Fetch users, yeah. So we might need to add that endpoint to the backend to get it to work.
Right. Okay.
I was also kind of thinking offline This fetch users is used to show all of the chats that you have, right? On the chat view. Oh, you don't have that yet, Jason. You have to click the second login button.
Oh, what happened to all my users?
Are you using the
Oh yeah, I am using the.
You're using the eMemory, right?
No, I'm not using the email.
API. Sorry, API. Yeah. Remember, we never
Yeah.
implemented the new endpoint. But I mean, we can start to implement that. I guess you can use the ChatGPT to help. But at some point, I'm also thinking we should probably think of a different data model instead of like fetch users. It probably should be something like fetch chats, something a
Okay.
little bit more abstract than users. So then it's a list of chats instead of a list of users. But we can also worry about that later. We can like refactor that later. For now, maybe we can just start implementing it as is. What do you think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's implement that in the backend.
Yeah. In your chat controller.
That was a chat conversation.
Well, this is gonna be interesting, Jason, because well, for one thing, you just need to implement that new protocol function. You need an API that would help you implement that. Technically, right now, it's just a list of users. It just needs to return a list of users. We can just implement that now, or if you want, we could try to refactor so that it's a list of chats.
Yeah,
or topics or something, whatever you want to call it.
Let's refactor this.
Okay. I think that's not a bad idea. Yeah, it's probably gonna be easier if we refactor it now. But that means you're gonna have to think about the data model of so instead of fetch users, it would be what, like fetch something a little bit more abstract, right? Like chats. And then at some point you probably want to have more APIs to like create a new chat, right? Like if you want to send a message to a new person or something like that, right? But we can also worry about that later. For now, yeah. Let's have one called like instead of fetch users, maybe fetch chats, and we can also get ChatGPT to help refactor. And this is not just API chat service. This is this is the protocol itself. This is a protocol level change. And what would you like to call it? Like fetch chats, fetch conversations?
Let's ask ChatGPT to think of a solution.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. That's why they pay you the big bucks. Why do we have to think about it ourselves?
Yeah, I mean we pay for ChatGPT, right? That's the job.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. No, that's how you should use it. It's like you need a brainstorm. Yeah, ask ChatGPT to brainstorm for you.
Oh shit.
Oh, fetch conversations.
Oh.
Check it out. Look, and it gave you documentation. I kind of already knew though.
I know,
That's
but
fine.
I just wanna.
Yeah, gotcha.
Oh,
Message,
I got
fetch.
stuck.
Uh oh. Oh no, it's gone.
It was thinking fetch conversation.
There you go. So you get an array of conversations.
Participant ID.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
But I want to have the participant ID to be more than one person, right? AKA a group chat.
Yeah, you want to think of groups about groups now? We can do that. I think that's
right
really
now
good.
is a good
Okay.
time to think about it because, like,
Yes. So groups is one thing, but also I think they wanted you here with this data model. It wants you to show the participant name as like the title for the chat, but maybe like you want to rename the chat, right? So it's like not necessarily participant name, but more like conversation name or something like that, right?
okay, so let's do one thing at a time. Let's tell it say that it's
Ooh, yeah.
it needs to support a group chat.
Yeah. One more thing about this, Jason. If you're gonna do this, you're probably gonna need to refactor your conversation view because that currently only works with one-to-one, right?
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Let's do the endpoint first, and then we can update the conversation view. What do you think?
I mean, I don't mind switching it all to a group now. It might be easier changing that now. Remember when I said like finish the front end first and then go to the back end? It might be easier changing it to group now, and then we fix the back end once to support groups and all that. Instead of like updating the back end now, and then coming back to the front end,
Right.
change it to groups, and
No,
then going back to the back end and change it to groups.
yeah, well, this chat service is on the front end, right? This is
Yeah.
the fetch.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah, so I guess let's focus on the front end for now,
Yep.
to support group.
Yeah, I like that. I like that idea. Let's do that.
Each.
It's gonna be a lot. Oh, okay, there we go. Participants, multiple users. Last message sounds good. Participant names, sure. Avatars, sure, maybe. In-memory chat service.
Well, who's the sender? Doesn't have a sender.
I mean, in a conversation, it's just a conversation, so no one's really sending anything. It's just the participants. Oh, you mean the sender of the last message, of the latest message?
No. I think
Or
you answered my question.
gotcha.
Think about that. What is this for?
participant names. Who knows? Maybe you don't really need it. I think maybe it wanted it to show on the on that top level view, which I think you called chat view. So like maybe it's showing the participant name somewhere there, if you're curious about who's in that conversation, or at like the top of the conversation view, so you know who all the participants are.
Wait. We'll be right back. I gotta go get the door first. Sorry.
Yep. All good. I'll entertain the stream.
Oh,
Hello,
okay,
everyone.
sure. Okay.
How's your day going? I hope you guys are doing well. It's kind of rainy in this area. It was just like a huge flash flood, like all of a sudden downpour, and now it's sunny again. Crazy weather, and it's very hot out. Hopefully you're staying cool. Hope you're enjoying the programming. It's very educational. I'm learning a lot. Man, there's so much to think about in a chat, especially like when you're supporting more things, right? Like groups, abstracting out chats. When you want to support more stuff, we haven't even figured out like how to create new chats yet. And then we're gonna do the backend stuff. That's gonna be exciting. I'm sure a lot of chatting apps already solve these problems, and there's like so many more problems to solve, like pagination, and I don't know. I'm sure there's a lot more stuff. Caching. Didn't even think about that yet.
I'm back.
Offline support. Hey, welcome back. I kept the stream warm for you.
All right, thanks. So should we start? Actually, we should switch it back to memory, right? Making sure the memory thing
Oh
works.
yeah, let's do the memory first. Yeah, that's gonna be easier.
We'll copy this. Message is message.
Yeah, that's a singular message. Does it make sense for it to be called conversation view and chat view? Like, would it make sense if you have like conversations view and conversation view, or conversation detail, or like multiple conversations in one conversation chat, or like multiple chats, singular chat, or like chat list view?
Yeah, I think it will be chat list view and then chat detail view.
Yeah, that makes sense. A list view and a detail view, and then that way you can call these a chat and not a conversation. Then, right? To use consistently. Okay, I like that. And then chats has multiple. One chat can have multiple messages.
Oh my god, this is gonna be okay.
Yeah, it's kind of a big refactor, but I think it might be worth it, because like if you solidify this now, it's gonna make the backend easier to do.
The chat view, right? That's the chat
This
view,
is like
right?
the list. This is the chat list view.
Yeah. Well, it says chat history, right?
History.
Yeah.
You mean, wait.
Chat detail.
We don't have a chat history. Yeah, we have chat, or we want to have chat list and chat detail view. And like history means like you want to archive a chat.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh man.
I hope it doesn't break.
Nah, it's fine. We're just renaming everything. But I think it's gonna help us understand it better. Make it clear. Because like I always had that problem is like which one's the list view again? Is it the chat or the conversation?
Yeah. I have a bad feeling about this.
And it might be okay. Wait, is that the right one?
Yeah.
Conversation was the.
No, it's right.
Oh, okay, yeah. You got it. Sorry, I got confused. Again.
Wait, where's my Git tracking this? Why does it say this is not
Git treats it well. Some Gits do it differently. This one tracks it. To Git, it's a remove and a add, right? So some are smart enough to know that you moved it. Some aren't. Whoa, is that new? Scroll to bottom.
Yeah, why is this
Is that
here?
right? I don't know. Okay, that one makes sense.
Right? Because
Yeah.
justification.
Mm-hmm.
It seems right.
Yeah, that seems right.
Okay, so let's see if it works. Well, I'm gonna have to like eat and work.
Okay. Good. Is it not compiling? What is this? Oh, yeah, all these. You might want to tell it to rename, like just copy paste rename. Or yeah, that'll probably be better. And looks good.
It's smart. It's smart enough to know.
Yeah. Do you need to rename the view models?
Wait, what? Why do you like this?
I don't know. That's probably okay.
Well, all right.
And then the view models, right? This one, array. This is the chat details. Hey, look, I knew. It knew.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. It are. Make sure you didn't copy it halfway through generation. I mean, like, yeah, it's probably fine. Just paste. Go ahead and paste. Or yeah, that works. Nice.
Damn.
I know. Now you gotta rename the file. Oh yeah, you're already doing that. Then you gotta do that one.
A detail view?
Oh, right. Because if you model. You gotta do this one. Nice. I like it. Oh, check it out. And it says fetch conversations, but that probably should be renamed again. Because we're not using the word conversation anymore, right?
Yeah.
That's fine. I'll do it later after you change this. Gotta rename the file. Rename the file in the project.
What?
Chat list view model. Rename the actual file. Chat list view model. Yep. Cool. And then we probably want to change the word conversation to chat instead. Fetch chats. You probably didn't update I think you generated it, but it was never updated.
Oh.
If you want, you can just say like, hey, can you show me the protocol again?
Right.
Or just tell it to change chat service so that instead of fetch conversations, it's fetch chat. You might as well just say that now. Because it knows what the chat protocol is.
Oh no, I want it.
Sure. Yeah, but you probably want to rename.
Name what? That service?
Fetch conversations, and I don't think we want to use the word conversations. Maybe like say fetch chats. I'm not exactly sure how. I mean, I think that makes sense. Oh.
Oh. Not bad.
Interesting. Yeah, but look at the model itself. It's still calling it conversation.
That's
Do
a
you
new
like
model, right?
I mean, it is, but do you like that naming? Do you like in your domain?
Oh,
Do
it
you
should
want to
be
have the word conversation?
chat history, right?
Either
No.
chat history or just chat or something like that, I'm thinking. Like, I want you to get the terminology solid here. Because if you, like, the more words you throw around, like, it's going to make less sense. Like, because then you're going to have chat history, conversation, chat threads. And it's like, what's the difference between each three?
Yeah.
Give you a bunch of different options. They're calling it a chat thread. But see, now my problem is, now shouldn't you have like a chat thread view, you know, or like a chat thread details view, chat thread list view, right? Right, like what's the difference between a chat and a chat thread, right? Is there a difference? Are they the same thing? Yeah, that's like could be potentially confusing. I feel like you should just call it a chat. Just keep it simple. If we need to change it later, you know, that's fine. But I like this. Ooh, user chats. Okay, I'm down for this. So you can get chats, and then like you can get messages for a chat, which I guess is what chat history is. But maybe we could rename that later. We'll need a new model, right? Okay, there's one more change I want to make. Well, I guess after you fix this. Oh, is it not compiling? Oh, because you commented out. You can uncomment that out, maybe. Oh, right. API one. I want to comment all that out. Just comment it out for now. It's gonna keep on changing. Don't always. Yeah. All right. Oh. Right. Renamed it. Nice. Does it compile? If it compiles, there's one more change I want to make, which I think is pretty important.
Okay.
Okay, do you see the function for fetch chat history in the chat service protocol? I want to change this function. I think it should be named like fetch messages. And the input should just be the chat ID.
Okay. All right, let me fix.
Yeah, sounds good. Enable type check. No idea. Oh. Right, I can comment that out.
Oh, right.
And do the in-memory chat service instead. Right there. Yep. Never seen this error before. Maybe you can ask ChatGPT about it. Unable to compile type this. Wow. That's new.
What?
That makes sense.
I don't understand.
It's just extracting subviews from that view because that view is, I guess, it's too big for the compiler to figure out, I guess. So it's just extracting it into subviews, which yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, really? That's an error?
I guess. I mean, again, I've never seen that error before, and I feel like I've made pretty complex views all in like one view before. So don't know why that's showing. I don't know what the limitation is.
Escaping closure. Where's the closure?
State object. I don't know. State object wrap value. The current. I guess wrap value is a closure. It's probably like a what do you call it? Auto wrap. I think it's going into solutions that are not good anymore. Maybe.
Let me try it.
Uh, I'm not liking this anymore, Jason.
Oh, why?
Well, for one thing, ideally we would use more struts. Switching it to class makes it a lot more complex. Potentially we're gonna have bugs in the future. That's gonna be hard to debug.
What did it change?
Oh, read it.
Use a class?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I don't think we should just to try to solve the issue. That's not the right answer. I think we should start. This is the part where you need to start fixing it yourself, Jason. I think you have to. So go back to the previous version of it.
Yeah, this is it.
Okay. Look at state object. Command click into that. See. Look at the init with this wrap value. See what the definition is. Because I think. Let's go to the init. Yeah, there it is. It's an auto closure. So it turns this chat list view model into a closure itself. So you could
Use it like this?
No. Just don't auto closure it. Put it in manually into a closure. Well,
Wait, what does that mean?
auto closure means you can put a value in it, but it's just gonna wrap it around a closure. It's gonna wrap the value around the closure. That's auto closure.
Can you elaborate on that?
Okay, so you see wrapped value, right? Normally when you pass in a value, it just takes it like a value. Like that's what you normally expect, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you see auto closure, it means the compiler automatically wraps that value around a closure. It turns it into a function.
Oh.
And in that function, it's trying to capture view model or self implicitly, and that's the issue.
So, what's the proper way of fixing this?
I think you should not auto closure. You should like manually put into a closure, and then say like weak self.
Oh.
Like normal. So like say yeah, do that. Put a closure. Try to see if we can put a closure. I'm not sure if we can even. And then do state object. What is it? No, that one. Yeah, that thing. You might need to say self.current user. And I have no idea if this works or not. Maybe you can say like weak self. Oh, and then you have to do the guard self thing. Actually, if you do guard, I don't know if it will work. Because you can't just return nil. Can you? Maybe you can.
Oh.
Well, no, it's kind of complex. Return nil. Okay, does this work? Go forward. Yeah, try fixing the thing. I don't know what this does. Oh.
Oh, it just calls it.
Okay, does that work?
Wait, why can't I do guard self?
Maybe guard self equals self. I don't know why.
Normally works, right?
Oh, I think so. Yeah. Oh, guard let self.
Oh, right.
Oh, jeez. And now I want you to make an empty chat list view model. Ugh, this is starting to get annoying. The thing is, you can't have an empty UUID. That's gonna break everything, right? You can. I mean, kind of.
Bush, can we just...
I'm not liking the solution either.
Hold on. Can we have like a optional? If it's nil, then we put a blank. Just put the current user ID. No, that doesn't make any sense, right?
Can we capture current user? What is current user? So like say weak current user. Wait. What? Hold up. Are you just passing current user? Why does it? Wait, can you say like let ID equals current user dot ID? Wait. I have an idea. In on line 14, can you just capture the current user dot ID first? Yeah. Like current user ID equals current user dot ID. And then what if you did like the same thing as line 19? What we did before, or the same thing as what we did before, but instead of saying like current user dot ID, use this new variable you just captured.
Oh. Okay, this is messy.
Yeah, see if that works.
That?
Yeah. Does that work?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that was the easier way.
The hell?
I don't know. Whatever. I think that's probably okay. Because now it's just the value. We're not using self at all. Cool. Can you go back to the protocol? I think we were talking about that. Chat service. Right. Okay. The thing I think we should change. I don't like how we have fetch and get. I feel like we should be consistent. Maybe we can say like get, and then I think that should say get messages. The input should be the chat ID. So on line 8.
Get messages? I thought we
Line
wanted...
8. That one, yeah. That should be get messages. And the input should just be the chat ID. Because we can't pass in a sender and a receiver ID, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Perfect. Oh, send message might need to change too. I just realized. Because we need to send to a chat, not send to a receiver.
The post message?
The verb name is up to you. I don't care if it's send or post. That's whatever you want. If you want to post, that's fine. I just wanted get and get to be the same. Like one was get and one was fetch. I didn't like how they were different. That's just why I called it get.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
I mean, it could have been like fetch messages, fetch user chats. That'd be fine too. So send message I think is okay. Post is fine too. Whatever you want. Yeah, but this is the more important thing. It's not, you're not sending it to a individual receiver. Now it's to a chat ID. Nice.
Wait, what?
That's okay.
We don't. What's sender ID? Oh, right. That makes sense, right?
I think so. Like someone sending it to a chat. Should we think about message received publisher as well? Because right now it's a string, but maybe it should be like a message instead.
I mean, in string. Oh.
Because if it's just a string, well, we kind of need more information than that. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. As long as that makes sense to you.
Yeah, no, makes sense.
Okay, I like this.
With this pace, I think my Command C and Command V is worn out.
Yes.
Look at that.
Wait, what? Why is it so many?
My history. I mean, it's from the beginning.
Hey.
Good.
Yeah, I kind of like where it's at. Feeling pretty good about it. Why is it not async?
Right.
Get user chat. Shouldn't it be a chat service dot get user chats? Or is this a local function?
This is in-memory chat service, no?
Oh, I see. It is. You're right. You're right.
Oh, what the? That's wrong. What the fuck?
Messages. ID.
Right?
Receiver ID. There shouldn't really be a receiver ID anymore, I think. Now it should only be like messages should have a chat. What is it called? A chat ID and a sender ID. What's the message model look like? Yeah, I probably shouldn't have a receiver ID anymore. We need to update the model. That's probably why it's breaking. Because now a message, yeah, it's just to a chat from a sender. There's not really any recipients besides the chat.
It should be a chat ID, right?
Yeah. Okay, so content, there's a sender, there's a chat ID. There's the person who details about the person who sent it and the sent at created at date. That sounds good enough.
Oh, what?
Yeah, what happened to everything else? Oh, you don't really, yeah, you don't need all the other stuff. That's like default stuff, right? Maybe, yeah. Let's just keep it small.
Oh.
Let's see, what is this? Get user chats.
What the hell is this?
Well, this is the function to get user chats. Let's read the function and see what it does. Let's see, groups. So it's grouping the messages by participant sets. That's kind of weird. Group messages. What does the messages array look like? This is a little bit weird. I think it could be cleaner. Even though it's like a test in memory thing, this could be cleaner. Can you scroll up to the dictionary, the array and dictionary for messages? Yeah. Okay, so we have an empty thing. We don't have chats, right? Like an array of chats. I feel like we could have an array of chats.
Chats?
Yeah, like two arrays, one array of messages and one array of chats. I feel like that would keep it simple. Like then it wouldn't need to construct the chats. It'll just get the chat with that ID. Either an array or like a dictionary. I don't think it matters either way. I mean, yeah, whatever. Either way should be fine. It's just in memory.
Wait, what's the... Sorry, can you repeat that?
I was saying one of them could be a dictionary where the key is the chat ID and the value is the chat itself. It would be a little bit more efficient maybe, but like honestly it doesn't matter. You can just do an array as well. This is in memory, so it's just for testing. Just have it make an array.
Wait, what's chat?
Chat is
Like this?
a bunch of messages.
Oh. Okay.
So this is important. Like you need to keep this in mind for your domain. Like what is a chat and what is a message? A chat is a bunch of messages. A chat has multiple participants.
Oh, right, right. Okay. So it's this should be hard coded.
No, like I'm saying, if we had an array of chats, we don't need we won't need to construct it like this. Like this is pointless.
Okay. Make this as a class variable.
Yeah, pretty much. And then like the implementation is you can just return it. Like this is way too complex. We don't need all that. As an instance var.
Oh,
Oh, you broke it.
I broke it.
See, there you go. So much easier. Still trying to be smart a bit, but it's okay. It's fine.
Where is it trying to be smart?
Where it says dot filter, where the participants contains this current user or this user ID passed in. I think that's okay. We can use it. Right, does it work? Nope. Okay, what's wrong?
Oh, so it doesn't take in an ID?
I don't know.
Why does it say set up initial chats? Why?
I think previously you had hard-coded users, and now it's trying to add that back, kind of.
Oh, okay.
Do this in it.
Wait, but this this chat model, it shouldn't do this, right? What if I have old chat?
Oh, you're right. Yeah, it shouldn't generate a unique ID. That's bad.
This is why AI is not always right.
At some point, I'll get smarter, but not right now. Right now, we have to keep an eye over it. Dude, I'm liking this a lot right now. It's so good.
You're liking or lagging?
Liking. I like this.
Yes, sir.
I can see how it's implemented in the database.
Nice.
It's funny.
Did it add it back? No, this is something new.
It added random. Yeah, it added some random, but that's fine. Like, go ahead and use that. Should be okay. All right, does it work? What?
I'm gonna ask for update.
Yeah, that's fine. It's kind of weird because I'm getting the feeling that you half understand what it's doing.
I'm right.
I feel like you half understand what it's doing.
Yeah. That's bad, right?
Yeah, probably not good. But it's funny how you can like you overall understand like that it's wrong or it should be fixed.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. It's like you don't need to know all the details.
I don't
You just know
need
that it's
to
wrong.
know enough, you know.
Yeah. Okay, what is it saying? Oh. I guess we gotta add the equatables back. That's annoying.
This?
Read the error message again.
Received messages. Oh, yeah, I know. Why is it? Oh, this.
Yeah. Data. Whoa. I guess it changed and ChatGPT doesn't know about the change. Use onChange with 2 or 0 parameter action.
2 or 0?
2 or 0 parameter.
What does that even mean?
Remove the underscore in, I think. So like there should be no parameters, I guess.
Right.
It's either that or something else. I don't know.
Well, I guess that's fixed that.
I guess so.
Receiver ID.
Ideally, it would be chat ID. Jeez. I like how we're making it generic for any kind of chat, for any number of users.
What do you mean?
Like previously, it was just like DMs and like only a list of users, and now you made it generic. Like you can chat groups, you can chat DMs, you can have multiple chats to the same people. Like you made it very flexible.
Oh.
Copied it too early. Gotta fix that.
Is it?
Maybe. Let's see it. Does it work? Oh, hey, look, they changed it a bit. Oh. Well, that broke. What broke? Why did it change? Seems fine.
I also
Guess
sense
we have to
something
check
wrong with this.
Yeah. Yep, we get that chat with the chatting
Wait, hold on. Can I just?
Chat it says chat not found.
Oh,
Chat not found.
not found.
So what chat are you?
Chat ID.
What's in the chat array? What's in the chat array? That should have been in the chat array. Chat. Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
What do you mean chat not found? What's chat ID again? Wait, where did that come from? Is that the old one? What about get chat? What is it? Get user chats? Something's weird. Get user chats. There it is. I mean, what? It should have been the same. It's from the same array, so that should have worked. Can you check here view, maybe view or view model, chat list view model, or chat list view model. It might be hard coded somewhere in there. Not this one. Maybe the view. What? Wait a second. Okay, it should be putting in. Let's see. This is the list. That's your current user. Current user ID. When it shows the chat row, it's for the current user. For that
Well,
chat.
they
So
did.
look at.
They did override the UID. Remember the two.
Yeah. Where?
This.
Well, I wouldn't say overriding. That's like the two in the chat. Chat 1, chat 2.
Yeah, but we don't have that.
Well, it
Wasn't there two?
What do you mean we don't have it?
Where'd it go? It was like
Well,
three.
oh,
Oh,
no,
right here.
it's
This.
Wait, where's this? Where's this being used? This shouldn't be used anymore. Where's this user's array coming from?
We hard coded, remember?
No, I mean that's just the participants. But where's like
this
where's
is
it
chat
getting?
ID.
Yeah, we should be using the new chat ID. So like, where else is user being used? I mean, we probably shouldn't have this.
Oh yeah, that's
but
right.
where else is this being used? Because it's clearly it's using that ID, but like I wasn't expecting it to. Oh look, get users info. There.
This
where
is
is
the
this
current
being?
ID.
Is this being used somewhere?
Sender. Get the sender ID.
Oh, that's not right. Okay, maybe we should get rid of that array. I think we should get rid of get user info, get users maybe. Like I think something in there is definitely breaking.
Okay. I have to clip some of my notes. It's so long. It's hard to type.
Or wait, hold on. Is that even the problem? Because we shouldn't even be getting to that point. Because get user info happens after getting the chats. I'm assuming we stop on line 42, right? Chat not found.
Yeah, we did.
So we're not even hitting get user info yet.
Yeah.
So what? All right, debug.
Wait, why do we need to get the chat?
Get the chat. I don't know. Why do we need to get the chat? I think because I don't know. Why do we need to what are we doing with the chat?
And this is just like a post request.
Look, append latest message in the chat. Update the latest. Oh, there you go. You need to just get a reference so that you update the latest message.
Oh, okay. Like simulating the network call.
Yeah. something like that. Simulating updating database, which is okay. That's okay for now. So that should be okay. Maybe we should get rid of the users array. Or what's in the can you scroll up to users array again? Wait, this is the user ID though. Why is the user ID in the chat ID?
What do you mean user ID and the chat ID?
Like if you PO chat ID, we're in send message right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or are we still in the breakpoint? Oh, we're not
No,
in breakpoint.
we're not.
But last time when you PO chat ID, I think it was saying the user's ID.
No, I think it was this.
Well, that should be fine. So it should find the chat if that was the case. Can we try it again?
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's breaking there. Okay, and then what is it? Like what's chat? Yeah, PO chats. Chat
Well,
well, we know what chats is already. I mean, no. Well, clearly that's gonna be nil. Because there's a guard.
Oh,
What's
you
chat
want me
ID?
to chat the first one?
No, chat ID.
Wait, that's not right.
You see, there's a user ID in there, right? That's what I'm saying. Like, why is it passing a user ID into the chat ID field?
Okay, so who's
Maybe
calling this?
go up the thread. Go up the thread.
Oh, right. Where is that? What is that thing?
I don't know, one of those. There it is. View model. Okay, so it should be passing in chat ID, but maybe that's wrong. Like whoever initialized this view model is not right. Who initialized this? View? Why is there a receiver in here? Hold up. Why is there what? Why is
There's
there
no
a receiver
receiver
in chat detail view model? That doesn't seem right.
Yeah. Well, let's figure out one thing at a time.
Yeah. Who initializes this view model? There, right?
Chat detail.
Chat detail view.
I guess who initialized this chat detail view?
Yeah. Oh, that's the module itself. Oh, it's passing a new UUID? That's not right.
This should be hard coded, right?
Scroll up. I know why. I know what the problem is. That shouldn't be chat/user ID. That should be chat/chat ID. And now we're gonna have to, but we're gonna have to change a lot of stuff. So you might want to tell ChatGPT to redo this.
Wait, where? What's this slash chat? Hold on, I'm a little confused here.
This is the routing, right? Think of it like a URL or a deep link. Like when you go to a specific.
Is it routing from or routing to?
Routing to a view.
To this?
Yeah. It's routing to the chat detail view.
But why does it need a path? How does that work?
Well, that's how you get to the view. You say /chat/ one of the chat identifier, one of the identifiers. Previously, we were using a user ID as the way to go to the details, but now we switched it, so we're not.
Where is it registered?
This is where it's registered. We are registering it right now.
This is registering it?
This is the registering. We're registering routes for our module. It says our module has 2 routes, chat and /chat user ID. Basically, 2 routes, one to go to the list and one to go to the detail. This is a very important concept. You need to understand this to understand how
I know.
everything
No,
else
no,
works.
no. Yeah, no. I understand it. It's just that like sometimes I just forget how that works.
Gotcha. All good. All good. This makes sense why it's kind of broken, I think. Kind of. Use chat ID instead of user ID. Yeah. Yeah, that looks better. And then it's pulling the
Wait,
chat
I feel, but it's lowercase d though. Is that?
it's whatever you want. It's your preference. You can make it uppercase if you want.
So why was that an issue?
Well, so this is you're trying to identify which chat detail to go into, right?
Okay.
I don't know. I think it might have gotten confused. It's like it might have been trying to pass in the user ID in that route, and then using that when going to the detail. But you need the chat ID when going into the detail of a chat. I think. Let's see. So there's the chat detail view. We're getting the chat ID. Oh, sorry, let's read that.
Why does it have this here?
I don't understand the question.
Why is there a low chat history here?
Well, read it. What is it, and why is it being used? What is it doing?
It does nothing.
Oh, maybe delete it. Send message. Oh, okay. I see. Scroll up. I can explain. Scroll up a little bit. All right. Here's what it's doing. I see what it's doing. So each module has two things: routes and actions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Routes navigates you to a certain view. Actions kind of navigates you into emptiness. Like it. Yeah. So this is like if you send it an action of send message, then like our module can handle it. If you say low chat history, our module can handle it. So it set it up to do this, but we are not actually using that. So if you want, you could like comment it out or delete it.
It's okay. Just leave it for now.
Yeah, leave it for now. It's fine. We could use that later if another module wants to talk to our module and tell it to do stuff like send a message. Oh, what is that?
Uh-oh.
Oh, chat still not found. What's going on? Okay, we can read their chat
Sender
ID.
ID.
It's still, look, it's still the user ID right now. So it's not completely right. Can you go back to the module? I think we should debug on line 24.
Here?
It's 24. Starting like, and then I want to see, or like 28, I guess. I want to see what's being passed into chat detail view. Because that means there's also another place I want to check. One more place. The other thing that could be wrong is maybe it's still passing in user ID into the route. So let's go to the chat list view. Here's the last place we need to double check. Yeah, but we don't need to debug it. Let's just scroll to somewhere. It should be. Wait, scroll up a bit. I think I see something. Oh, right here. Chat row view. Look at chat row view. There. Navigation link. Here, user ID is current user ID. Chat ID is chat.participants.first ID. No, this is wrong.
Oh, it shouldn't be a chat ID.
No.
I mean,
No, it's not the chat participants, not the first participants ID. This is just chat.id. Like the rest of it, you don't need at all. That's where it's breaking. That's kind of dumb. Okay, now it should work. I don't don't think you need to debug anything else.
There we go.
Nice.
It works? Nice.
Nice. That's cool. Hey, now you can do group messages. Check it out. See, look, you have the last message there.
Oh shit, yeah, what the hell? Dude, that's so cool.
I know, right?
Oh, this
And
has
then you have
a
the list of
list of names in the chat.
yeah. And later on you can rename it and stuff like that. But I think that's
Yeah.
okay for now.
Yeah. I think it's a good stopping
Like it?
point,
Like
no?
it? Yeah. This is a good part for the front end.
Yeah.
When you say stopping point, do you mean like stopping point for today or stopping point for the front end?
For today, because we've been doing for an hour,
That's
almost
true.
an hour and a half. So I don't want
That's
to
true.
make it
Yeah.
too long. You know what I'm
That's true.
saying?
Good idea. Good point. Yeah, I agree. This is good progress. Good progress. Next time we can do that. Good.
Yeah. So let's get the commit and use my chat GPT.
You know it.
Check it out. So good. Oh, why is it asking me for which one I like
sometimes
better?
sometimes it wants to improve it.
Let me see.
Like if you choose one, it'll help improve the model.
Refactoration, renaming conventions, and refactor chat service. Replace. Oh. Okay.
Did you wait?
I didn't replace, but we commented
Did
out.
you
Remember?
stage? Did you stage everything?
Oh, did I stage everything? I don't think so.
Oh.
Oh, that's why.
And make sure everything, all of these are what you want, right?
That's true.
I guess it doesn't.
Wait, what is this? Chat controller. Oh, I deleted it.
That's okay.
Yep, just need to update it.
Commented it
I'll
all.
comment it out.
Oh, change that. That's good.
That is right. We made a message.
Now we're getting messages.
Chat ID. Sender ID. Chat ID. Chat ID.
User ID.
That's right. Updates the protocol right here.
Good. Really good. Great. We created a chat structure. We updated the message structure.
Yep. Added detail view model.
Oh look, it changed the renaming. Now it's like, I think it thinks you're adding a new file instead of like renaming, which is okay.
Oh, why does it do that?
In Git, it is a delete and an add. Some diff viewers are smart enough to combine it again to know it's a rename.
Okay.
Ooh, I feel pretty good about this.
This is just a renaming, right? Yeah. Look.
Oh yeah, just the rename.
Alright.
Oh man, I'm feeling pretty good about this.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
That's right.
I'm gonna comment that out. API chat service.
Kind of, yeah. For later integration. Ah, oh shit! It
That's
knows for later integration.
It knows. It knows.
Okay. Good to me.
Yeah, that's good to me.
Yeah, I guess just paste it here.
Dude, I feel really good about these new changes.
Yeah.
Scalable.
All right. Let's. That is it.
Get
Let's.
pushed. Okay,
It is pushed.
Nice, nice. Good job. Good work. All right, should we call it? Edit.
Yep. All right. Thanks everyone for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Till next time.
Next time.